If you're curious about organizing your workflow and making your tasks crystal clear in ClickUp, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through setting custom statuses in ClickUp, so at the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to visually track your projects, know exactly where things stand, and help your whole team stay on the same page, from big initiatives down to every last to-do. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your ClickUp workspace. This is the home base for all your projects and productivity magic. If you haven't logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, take a moment to look around. It helps to get familiar with where everything lives because ClickUp can be as simple or as powerful as you want it to be. Now, one thing to remember. Statuses in ClickUp aren't one-size-fits-all. You can actually customize statuses at 3 different levels: space, folder, and list. That means whether you want broad categories for your entire department, slightly different organization for a specific project folder, or unique statuses for a single list of tasks, you have complete control. This flexibility is one of the best things about using ClickUp, especially if you're juggling multiple teams or projects with different workflows. Let's start with setting statuses at the space level. Spaces are like large containers. Think of them as departments, big projects, or major clients. To edit statuses here, locate your team space in the left sidebar and give it a click. Once you're inside your chosen space, look for the 3 little dots or the More Options button up near the space name. Clicking these dots reveals a menu. From here, select Task Statuses. This is where the magic starts to happen. You'll see default statuses ClickUp provides, but you can change these to match your team's process. Maybe you prefer using To Do, Review, and Done, or maybe you need more granular options like In Progress, Waiting for Client, or Testing. Adjust them here so your big picture workflow matches how your team actually works. The good news is the process is just as straightforward for folders and lists. Folders help you group related lists together, like all the tasks related to a launch or a marketing campaign. To edit statuses in a folder, click on the folder in your workspace, then follow the same steps. Hit those 3 dots and select Task Statuses. Lists are even more specific. Think daily to-dos, sprint goals, or anything you want to track closely. For lists, it's identical. Select your list, click the 3 dots, and then Task Statuses. Don't worry about memorizing the sequence. It's always the 3 dots, then the status option. Here, the fun part. You can add as many statuses as you want, tailored to your unique workflow. For a development team, you might add statuses like code review or QA testing. For freelancers, perhaps you'll use awaiting payment or ready to send. It's really about matching your process, so don't hesitate to brainstorm the stages your tasks usually go through. And if you're not sure, try a few, see how they work in practice, and tweak them over time. ClickUp is designed to be flexible, so don't worry if you need to adjust later. Take your time with this and don't hesitate to experiment. Everyone's workflow is a little different, and these statuses can help make your work much more visible, organized, and ultimately manageable. And that's it. Setting up statuses in ClickUp is as easy as finding your workspace level, clicking those 3 dots, and customizing to your heart's content. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop any questions you have in the comments. I always love hearing from you and am happy to help troubleshoot. And if you want more tutorials to boost your productivity, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.